have discovered the secret to laundry. I'm serious, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Toni and I'm a homeschooling mom to 4 kids. And it might be a little weird because if you notice, I'm in my laundry room today. Today's video is very different from what I usually do, but I just had to share with you this amazing secret that I finally discovered. If you guys want to find out what my life-changing secret to burden-free laundry is, then stay tuned. So raise your hand if you love laundry. Nobody has their hand raised, do they? Like, nobody really loves to do laundry, do they? Some of us really can hate doing laundry or certain aspects of it. So maybe for some of us, putting it in the washer really isn't that big of a deal, but actually getting it from the washer to the dryer is impossible. Or getting it from the dryer to actually being folded is the next hardest step, and it sits in there and gets wrinkled. Or maybe for you, it's getting it folded and you get it in that laundry basket and then it hangs out in there for way too long and doesn't actually get put away. There's lots of aspects of laundry. Well, here, look, I have this thing here. What does it say? Wash, dry, fold, repeat. That's the life of laundry, right? Okay, I finally discovered the secret to laundry where this is not a burden, and I'm excited to share this with you guys today. This video is prompted because of a challenge that I was given by my sweet friend Anna about a month ago. She told me she was going to be doing a laundry challenge, a laundry system challenge. And when she first invited me to be a part of this collab, I actually laughed because I was like, I have nothing to share. I am a disaster when it comes to laundry. And I told her that. And then I thought about it that day and I was like, you know what? I'm going to change things because I don't like the way it is. And laundry was just this burden that's always there. There's 6 people in my family. There was always laundry. Are you guys ever in that situation where you, in the back of your head, you can go sit on the couch and finally relax after a long day, but you know there is a bunch of clothes waiting to be washed and dried and folded and then put away, and it's just this never-ending cycle. I wanted to break that cycle. I was tired of it. So I took the invitation to this collab as a challenge, and for the last month, I have implemented this new laundry system, and I gotta tell you, it's life-changing. I'm not being dramatic about it. I'm serious. It really has been this burden lifted off of me. I'm just so excited to be able to share this with you. I'm so excited to not have this heavy burden of laundry always on my back. Because this is a collab, don't forget to go check out Anna's channel. Anna is the most amazing. I love her. She's wonderful. She is like the queen of home management. So if you need tips on home management, usually I'm not the one to come to. I go to Anna for my tips for home management. So go watch her video after this, and there's gonna be a whole playlist with other moms. They're gonna share their laundry systems with you guys so that you can see what they do. But mine is amazing, so make sure you stay tuned. So if you've known me for any time at all, you know that I love to rearrange and I love to redecorate. So the first thing, of course, I did before I started this laundry challenge was to redo my laundry room. So I'm gonna show you some footage here. It kind of hurts to show you this, but this was kind of a typical day in my laundry room. Now this door behind me here is where we come in from the garage. So every single day when we leave the house, we park in the garage, we all come through here. So this is our mud room and laundry room, and this is not a big space. It's very small. So it got shoes, it had laundry everywhere. There were coats, there was always something, trash, everything seemed to get thrown here. People who wanted to throw away, you know, maybe a cereal box that got emptied, well, they would just throw it in the laundry room instead of opening this door here and putting it in the garage where it goes or in the trash can. So that was the first part, was to look at this and say, I don't like what this is like. So what I did was I first of all purged everything, took everything out and cleaned it all out. Did a clean from top to bottom, which was amazing because it was so dirty in here. Just the shoes, the constant shoes. If you have a mud room, you know it's always just bringing in dirt. That's what it's, the shoes stop here and then the rest of the house can stay clean. So the first thing I did was cleaned it. The second thing I did was I had bought these frames. They're like sticker frames. I got them at IKEA maybe 2 years ago for my workout room. We have a workout room in the basement, and I was like, I'm gonna inspire myself to work out. So I'm gonna get these cool frames and I'm gonna put them on the wall in the workout room. Well, they're still in the package, and some of the workout stuff is still a little dusty, so that didn't happen. So I went ahead and brought them up here. And as you can see, I just love how they turned out. They just add kind of an accent to here. Making your laundry room pretty, I'm telling you, makes a major difference, because it was yucky and ugly and I didn't ever want to come in here before. Now I love it. I had this little wash, dry, fold, repeat thing. It's from the dollar store. It's just stickers from the dollar store. And then I put frames around everything. I've got frames over here. Let me see if I can move you here. I've got just frames on the wall. They're just stickers, but they were so pretty. So those, like I said, were from IKEA. Even our alarm system panel, I put one around that just to make it pretty. So I've got a couple of those around the laundry room. It just, like I said, it made it pretty. Even just cleaning this off, because you know how dusty this gets, the dryer gets from the lint and all that. So getting everything cleaned off was the first bit, and I put a little plant in here, and I really love this. Anyway, okay, then the lockers. I brought in these lockers. So this is kind of like part of the mud room. Now, these lockers, I got them at a garage sale last year. I think they're $4 or $5 maybe. I was like, what? I don't know why they were so cheap. It was a friend of mine. And anyway, I took them. So, but they've been sitting in the garage forever. I finally brought them in here. I would eventually like to paint them some cool accent color, but for now, they had the people's names on them, the kids' names that they were before, so we just put stickers above it. But I have a locker. Two of my girls share a locker, because I've got a purse and a coat and I have shoes. So I have a locker, two of my girls share a locker, and then I've got a girl here, and my son has a locker. So when we are going to leave the house, we open this up, voila, it's clean. They're not everywhere. So that is amazing. You need a trash can in your laundry room. So I've got it right next to the dryer. So when we pull the lint out, it goes directly in the pretty trash can. This was also from IKEA, a nice small trash can, and this has just been great to have right here. Let me show you the prettiest thing that I got. Okay, so one thing, I do have this, I got these laundry bags. I got them last year. They had a delicate and a white and a dark. And they have these hooks, and my intention was to put them on the wall. And I used them for laundry for a while, and I would just hang them up, and I used them for laundry, but they're honestly too big. My kids would stuff these full, and these would hold 2 or 3 loads of laundry. Plus, it messes these hooks up because they get too heavy. So I stopped using these for laundry. They actually were just not good. So I use this now for aprons. This has all the aprons that we have for our kitchen, and I just, because we use aprons a lot when we bake, so I keep these hooked on the side of the locker. Here is what I discovered. Here is the secret. The first mistake that I made when it came to a laundry system was I had a laundry basket in everybody's room. And two of my girls share a room, so they had one laundry basket. But you're talking me, my husband, one basket for those 2 girls, another girl, and then my son. So we're talking 5 laundry baskets. And then we had one in here in the laundry room, which was for like sheets and towels and random stuff. So really 6 laundry baskets in this house. We were always behind, unless your kids are super responsible. The problem with kids is they didn't remember to do their laundry when they needed to, because I didn't have like a certain day. I had one kid that was doing the laundry, and she was supposed to do a load every day. And then if other kids needed laundry, they just were supposed to remember to do it. It didn't work, because they would wait until, oh, I don't have any socks, or I have no underwear, or I have none of my jeans are clean, or whatever. Then you're frantically washing their clothes that day and trying to get them clean, but then other stuff is piling up. It never worked. I was always behind. So the first secret that I found out was get rid of all the laundry baskets. So the only people that have laundry baskets besides the laundry room right now, I have my own and my husband has his own. All the kids, their laundry, first of all, I did get a really pretty laundry basket, and that made a big difference. I got this at TJ Maxx, and I love it. It's so cute. Get a pretty sturdy laundry basket. This fits perfectly in the corner here of my laundry room, and this holds, guess how many loads? 1 load. That's it. It holds 1 load. That is the key. Get a laundry basket that's not too big. Make sure you have a reasonable amount. So 1 in here. All my kids put their clothes in here. I do 1 load a day. This is always, like, has a couple pairs of socks in here. This is always almost empty. I'm able to do 1 load. I'm never behind in here because this only holds 1 load. And then every day we do that. Then there'll be a day where I do mine because I'm a little bit more responsible, and I'm like, I need to do my clothes. So I'll do 1 load in here, and then later in the day or something, I'll do 1 load of mine. Or on the other days when I don't need laundry done, I do 1 load of this, and then we will do sheets. So there's 1 day a week that we do sheets. There's 1 day a week that we do towels. And then my husband actually does his own laundry. So once a week, usually in the evening, he throws his laundry in and does his own. He's done that for a long time because he was a police officer and needed his uniform in a certain way. So he's always just taking care of his own. So that takes that off my plate. I am never behind. I'm totally serious. It works amazing. So the key is get yourself down to one laundry basket for all of your kids. Put all their clothes in the laundry room. Now, you might be thinking, you do all the laundry for everybody? Here's what I do. I take the laundry, I put it in the wash, and then usually I put it in the dryer, but there are times where if I'm doing something else, I'll say, hey, can you guys go switch the laundry? Then, here's my second little tool. I bought this was from IKEA. I bought this little tub, okay? This is enough to hold one load of laundry. I keep this up here on top of the lockers. It's always empty. I do not store clothes in this. That's the key. So I take this, take the clothes out of the dryer, put the clothes in here, just dump them in here, and this goes in the living room. And then, guess what the kids get to do? They get to fold their own clothes. My son, he's only 6, so he doesn't really fold his own. So the girls all go through, they fold their own clothes and put their own clothes away. They help each other fold Jonah's clothes, and either they put his away or he will put his away. Doesn't always look great. I don't even know what their drawers look like right now, but I love that that is off my plate. I've actually done that for a while where I used to fold their clothes and then I would let them put them away, and it just freed me up so much. So get yourself one pretty laundry basket that's not too big, and get one empty basket that this is just easier because you don't want to put your clean clothes in there with the dirty clothes. This is like, I originally got this for shoes and then it didn't work for shoes. This is just a perfect little tub to put your stuff in. So get a nice clean tub, keep it empty. That's the key. It's got to be empty. Because I remember back before when everybody had their laundry baskets, the problem was once they had clothes that were in the dryer that needed folded, I'm searching the house for an empty laundry basket, and they were always all full. So I could never find anywhere. That's when people get like the laundry chair, the laundry couch, or the laundry table, and people put their laundry everywhere. Have a tub that's dedicated just for clean clothes. And then that has to be emptied that day. They put all that away, and then the next day we start over. This seriously is like a burden-free, amazing laundry system. It's simple. This did not take a lot. I wanted to share this with you guys because it has seriously changed my life when it comes to laundry. Because as a mom, that is such a big part of your life. You need clothes, you know, and I've been able to keep up with it. And I am not like Anna over at Just Making It Work. I am not the queen of home management. She, I'm sure, has an amazing laundry system. I can't wait to see what hers is and what some of these other ladies are. Mine is very simple. This didn't take a lot. I'm not a rocket scientist, but it's working for us. It's pretty. I like coming in my laundry room now because it's pretty. I've been keeping it clean. Anyway, guys, this is working for me, and I feel like this is something that is very attainable. Even if you feel like you're kind of a disaster, take these tips, get rid of all the laundry baskets, get a nice pretty one, and then just do one load a day, or maybe 2 loads a day, but I never get more than that. And it's been amazing. I love having that burden off of my shoulder. I'm keeping up with it, and keeping up with it is definitely the key. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope you can put this into practice too. So make your laundry room pretty, and it's not amazing. I'm sure other people have much prettier. I don't love this brown and that. It would be nice to paint that one day, but do with what you have. This cost me like $2 to make this pretty with the stickers and stuff. It was, you know, no big deal. And I think this was like $2 or something. So a couple bucks, and my laundry room looks pretty. And I did invest in this laundry basket. This was a little bit more expensive. I think this was like 20 bucks or something, but investing in something like this that you're going to use forever is worth it. I'm thrifty, so you know I don't spend a lot, but I will invest in a piece like that I know I need and that I will use. So don't forget to check out Anna's channel at Just Making It Work. Don't forget to check out the other ladies that are in this laundry collab. And I hope you guys have fun doing your laundry today. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.